metal, machines, engines, power. If these words fit into the context of your everyday existence, you're skilled in the mechanical trades. You make things work and fix them when they don't. What matters to you most isn't the color of your tie or the shine of your shoes, it's the tools you use to get the job done. And when you're in the trenches, you know all too well the value of a pneumatic cutoff tool. Fabricating or fixing, rusted nuts or bolts, when there's no time to waste, it's your go-to solution. But everything's not always on the bench right in front of you. Almost more common, you're dealing with hard-to-reach problems, like exhaust manifold bolts tucked in close to the firewall, tight areas around suspension and steering, or inside corners that are just out of reach. If you're nodding in agreement, it's time to try the AIRCAT 6275A 4-inch inside cutoff tool on for size. The 6275A is 15.5 inches long with a compact tapered gear housing close coupled to a 4-inch cutoff wheel, allowing you to reach inside corners of as little as 30 degrees. Those hard to reach areas? Not a problem anymore. 14,000 RPM, a 1 horsepower motor to eliminate stall and increase reliability, superior steel grade internal gears, and the capacity to cut 3/4 inch rolled or 18 gauge steel means you can depend on the 6275A to get the job done. A spindle lock for easy wheel changes, an 11 position rotational guard, and an ergonomic grip for increased comfort and reduced vibration, maximize efficiency. And for those areas you can't get to, the length of the housing gives you improved leverage and control for quicker and safer cuts. This tool speaks for itself. Some final words? Fixed quick. Thanks for watching.